Hello everybody, I want to show you this video a quick unboxing of the Huawei Y6s. So first of all, let us remove here the labels. I did it already, and after let's open the box. So first of all, on the first position is the phone, the Huawei phone Y6s. It comes already with a plastic film on it, and a little instruction how to insert the SIM cards and so on. I will show you in a further video. And fingerprint on camera, not that much weight. And then here a little box with the pin for removing the SIM card, and a quick start guide, a warranty card. And for the cables, we have a micro USB cable, so for transferring data, and of course in combination with the power adapter to charge the phone. And also a headset is as well included. Okay, let's have a look here. Oh, that's it. Okay, I hope I could help you with this little quick unboxing video here, what is included. And if you want to help me, just give me a like or maybe subscribe my channel. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.